Students from IITs are getting packages in crores, while tier 2 and tier 3 colleges are hardly getting any companies for campus placements. And that is the reason it becomes very difficult for people studying in these colleges to get good jobs. The reason is very simple: life at an IIT. The teaching methodology, the outcome based education, the alumni community, and the top notch professors and instructors, all of these things together contributes towards the students getting packages worth in crores. A lot of people dream of studying at an IIT, but getting into IIT is very hard, and there is a cutthroat competition for getting into these prestigious institutions. And that is the reason we are bringing you one of the biggest opportunities right now to study at an IIT and get a hefty package in the software development industry. IITs has always been associated with prestige and quality of education along with good infrastructure.
And what comes to your mind when I say the most beautiful campus in all the IITs? Yes, I'm talking about IIT Guwahati, where the average package is around 41 lakhs and the highest package is 2 crores.
Hi everyone, I am Pavan and welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important, and that is the reason I suggest everyone to watch this video till the very end and try to understand each and every point that we are going to explain in our today's video. So without wasting any more time, let us begin. So, guys, your dream of studying in an IIT is going to be true. IIT Guwahati has partnered with NSDC and Masai to create this microcredit program in computer science domain from Daksh Gurukul IIT Guwahati. Here, you will be getting live lectures and evaluations by the IIT professors from IIT Guwahati and IIT Ropar. You will be able to join the Daksh Gurukul IIT Guwahati alumni community. You will be getting access to the IIT Guwahati campus and labs. Along with that, you will also get 24 program credits, which is equivalent to a minor degree in CSE. You can apply right now. We will explain everything in detail. Watch this video till the very end. If you want, you can go and download the brochure as well. The program is going to start on 15th of April 2024. All the links will be in the description. Let us have a look at the curriculum and the admissions of this program. This program is co-designed by the faculty of IIT Guwahati and Masai School together. The curriculum focuses on the skills that are very crucial to bridge the current skill gap in a bid to improve the employability of the students. Okay, so here you can immerse yourself in the IITian atmosphere and feel the pride of it with the access to the following things. You will be able to learn directly from the IIT professors themselves, access to IIT Guwahati campus and other events as well. Here you will also get a graduation ceremony at the IIT Guwahati campus. And the most important part about this program is that you get access to the IIT Guwahati Daksh Gurukul email ID, and you will also get an ID card. Here are some of the things that you will be getting from IIT Guwahati: admission letter, student ID card, a t-shirt, and a lot of other things.
But wait a minute, what is the eligibility criteria for this microcredit program? You might be having this question, right? So the eligibility criteria is that you must have completed your 12th standard.
So, guys, if you want to succeed like the IITians do, here is the best opportunity for all of you. Get 24 program credits, which is equivalent to a minor CSE degree, assured placement opportunities after the course completion, access to IIT Guwahati's Daksh Gurukul alumni network, which is the most important point. And here you will be learning top 5 CS courses that contributes in the placement of all these IITians with big packages as well. I know that you all are super excited to have a look at the curriculum, which is designed by the IIT Guwahati in collaboration with the industry experts. This curriculum of the microcredit program in computer science from IIT Guwahati is designed keeping in mind the changing needs of the IT industry. Here you will be having different courses such as mathematics for computer science, introduction to computer science and programming, data structures and algorithms along with database systems, and principles of computer system design and the architecture, followed by a capstone project, which is essential for you to get real time experience of project development in IT companies. This will also help you to get good jobs in the IT sector as well. So here is the course outline as well. You can go and check out everything that you'll be learning in different courses as well. CSE 101, okay, MH 101, then you have CS again 201. There are different subjects. You can go in detail and have a look at the entire syllabus and curriculum of this entire course. Also, one more important update is that the trimester duration is for 16 weeks, that is 14 week sessions and 2 weeks project. You have to give a commitment of Monday to Friday 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and on Saturdays it will be 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and there will be trimester breaks as well for 2 weeks. Now, the best part about this microcredit program is the job assurance that they are giving. The eligibility criteria is very simple. You have to complete the trimesters, assessments, and the capstone project with a cumulative score of 70% and above. There are some key factors as well, which is evaluations are set by the IIT Guwahati professors, benchmarking is done on the past IIT trends, and resume interview and portfolio preparation is also included in this job assurance. Now you guys might be thinking, what is the admission process for this program offered by Masai and IIT Guwahati? The admission process is a four-step process which is very easy. The first step is that you have to pay the registration fee and you have to block your seat because there are limited amount of seats. The second step is that you have to complete the benchmarking test and the onboarding process. We will talk about the benchmarking test in this video further. The third step is that you have to pay the remaining trimester fee and join the orientation program. And the fourth step is that you will get your ID card and the email of name at dakshgurukul-iitguwahati.ac.in. You can take the benchmarking test by clicking on this link over here. I've given all the links in the description box. You can go and check out the links as well. Now you might be asking how to take the benchmarking test. Okay, so it is very easy process. The first step is that you have to pay the registration fee, okay, to access the benchmarking test. Then you have to prepare. You will be getting access to some resources that will help you to understand the test format and you will be able to review the syllabus as well. The third step is that you have to take the test, you have to dive into the benchmarking test and showcase your skills. The future you dream of starts here. If you want, you can scroll down over here and you can find what are the things that will be included in this benchmarking test, like problem solving, communication, logical thinking, coding, and aptitude as well. Okay, so here are some test instructions and the syllabus as well. Now you can go and check out the trimester and the fee structure as well, which is very easy. So you can directly go ahead and take the benchmarking test right now. The link is in the description box. So guys, the instructors for this course will be from different IITs such as IIT Guwahati, IIT Ropar, and different engineering backgrounds like electrical, electronics, computer science and engineering, and they have more than 8899 years of experience in teaching field. Along with that, you will also get mentorship from the industry experts such as people who are working with Amazon, LinkedIn, Microsoft, Oracle, Google, Walmart, and whatnot. So guys, it does not matter if you are a college going student or even a working professional. This microcredit program is built for you. This is the best opportunity that you can get in the computer science field from the IIT Guwahati and Masai in coordination with NSDC together. Also, share this video with all of your friends so they can also benefit from this fantastic opportunity. Thank you for watching this entire video guys. Please like our videos and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you again.